Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use green screen on CapCut PC. Super simple. You can either put a video inside of the green screen like here, or overlay the green screen on top of the video like this mouse. It's pretty much the same concept. Let's just put it on the second track. Remove background, select chroma key, and select the green area with the color picker. You can then adjust the intensity to your liking and the shadow as well. Same with this one, chroma key, let's select the color picker and use it to select the green. Then you're just going to want to add in a video underneath the green screen here. Can't really show that one. It's not super clear. Maybe this one. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Wow, that was loud. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.